Hi all, I'd like to announce a new course available. If you go to my Kingscrusher.tv page, this has all the possible discount codes, 80% off for the next 5 days, and the new one, Capablanca between 1901 and 1918. If we click into that, so using that link, you'll see 95% off. And let's have a look at this course and why I did it and what I found out about Capablanca. I can now tell you. It definitely has clarified my thinking on Capablanca. I actually see Capablanca as a kind of modern, kind of agile chess player. As agile is used in programming, small incremental steps, getting feedback, and also kind of simplifying, refactoring. So this style of play basically extends the Steinitz theory of chess, the accumulation of advantages model, and combines it with a powerful simplification emphasis. So Capablanca was really strong, especially at the start of his career at endgames and middle game. And he kind of made his openings kind of simple and solid. So it's a bit like, modern players in a way. He played relatives of the London system, literally, like the Coles system, or the other related systems, basically. And in doing so, his strengths in the middle game and end game let him win key tournaments just straight off the bat. He beat Corzo, then he won his first international tournament straight off the bat. So if you go and check out this course, you'll see the structure here. If you use expand all sections, you can see the structure. I had a fantastic time really looking at his games. His games do have an immense clarity. I looked at in particular his wins from key tournaments and key matches, and also some casual games. The course can also be updated later with more casual games, but I've covered the most important games to start off with. And so this comes at the moment, over 30 hours of content. Now the index is set up to show the first few moves of the game, but also the key interest points that I found in the game. So you can scan and see what you're interested in. Say you're interested in opening, counterplay, shutdown. You can look at the keywords basically, and then decide what you want to check out, or the opening sequence. And sometimes I've made a note of the instructive endgame point as well. So there are lots of these sections going from early in his career up until New York 1918. And my own enlightenment about Capablanca is, as I say, I believe he's really shaped the Steinitz model of chess, the accumulation of small advantages, and refined it with this combination of a kind of simplification strategy. So you end up with a kind of risk-free chess style. And it's just very, very clear plans that it's much easier to understand than a lot of other players who might be, much more complex, like Alexander Alekhine or later generations. Because of the simplicity, you can pick up the ideas and reuse them in your own games. There are some sample videos to check out. So you can preview some sample videos where you see the preview links. So I hope you do check out this course. It's from Kingscrusher TV. You can get an amazing discount for the next 5 days. So I really hope you check that out. And if you haven't, tried out my other courses, generally on my courses page, the Complete Guide to Chess Tactics is still remaining a bestseller. So you might want to check out my courses page and check out the Complete Guide to Chess Tactics. That remains my absolute bestseller and is absolutely, of vital importance, basically, to improve tactically, in my view. So the Complete Guide to Chess Tactics, by the way, is still my bestseller, so check that out as well. But the new course, Capablanca, his most instructive games of chess between this period. It's an amazing time period to check out. So I hope you check that out, and please let me know what you think about the course. Okay, thanks so much.